Hello Tag Fam, this is NONOY Peña. My trophy has finally arrived and it's unboxing time. So let's open it now. And here it is. Thank you so much, Tag Video Chicago, to the award committee, to my angels, my dear supporters for giving me this award. This just pushes me to be persistent of doing what I love, which is singing, as it brings joy and comfort to many, particularly to my beloved supporters. May this award serve as an inspiration to everybody. To all aspirants out there, never ever let anyone drag your self-belief and your dreams down. Keep in mind that you are capable of succeeding with God, and that will start by loving your craft. This is NONOY Peña, your 2021 Tag Music Awards Gold Champion Batch 1. Thank you so much with all of my heart. To God be the glory. Don't forget to hit subscribe to Tag Video Chicago and get ready for my exclusive performances.